Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off maintenance or security messages in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to go to the left down corner and click right mouse button on icon with S start. Then you need to go to run. Here you need to type control and we need to click OK. Now I go to system and security settings and here we need to go to security and maintenance. Now from the left panel I go to change security and maintenance settings. And here we have security messages and maintenance messages. You can uncheck or check here messages that you want to get. So for example, I will disable user account control messages from security messages and file history messages from maintenance messages. If you want to apply changes, you need to click OK button, and after that changes will be implemented. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check interesting links in description.